Over the Easter weekend the weather turned nice again, so I headed out for some sketching. This time my daughter joined me, and although she was really nervous about sketching in public at first, she totally pulled it off with ease in the end. This time we went sketching in Příbor, the town where Sigmund Freud was born, which is just a short drive from where we live. It's a small charming town with a population of about 8,400. It has a charming square with arcaded houses, but what we loved most was a peaceful spot on a nearby hill overlooking the church. Even though the sun was shining and the sky was filled with amazing fluffy clouds, it was quite windy and chilly in the shade. And just like every other time this year, I underestimated the weather. We didn't dress warmly enough, so we had to hurry with our sketching before we froze. As always, I started by sketching the basic outlines with a pencil. I always try not to do too much with the pencil. Sometimes it works out better, sometimes not too much. It's definitely something I still need to work on. Then I went over it with my Desiderata fountain pen with zebra G nib, filled with waterproof carbon platinum black ink. I don't know about you, but I never quite know how to approach these oddly shaped church domes. And somehow I always end up with a wonky little spire. As I was still wrestling with my pen, Natalie had already jumped into painting with watercolors. She is always faster than me. Just few splatters and I'm finally done with ink, and I'm ready for watercolor. Unfortunately, I didn't wait long enough, so the ink wasn't fully dry in some spots and smudged a bit. But that's okay. I've learned that sketching on locations just doesn't give you as much time as when you are sketching comfortably at your desk. I think the sketch is ready for some serious shadows. Natalie finished her sketch and was already shivering with cold. I was almost done too, so we called it a day and made a quick escape. And here is the finished sketch with final touch-ups. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more urban sketching content, feel free to like, subscribe and hit the bell. It really helps my young channel grow. Thank you!